Pocket option versus expert option. Best option trading platform. I'm going to tell you which is better, pocket option or expert option. Both platforms offer quick, simplified binary options trading, but there are key differences. Pocket option is known for its clean UI, fast sign up, and wide range of assets. Over 100 including crypto, forex, and stocks. It supports social trading, meaning you can copy top traders in real time. It also has MT5 integration, which is a plus for more advanced users. Expert option leans into educational and analytics. It gives more built in tools for charting, technical indicators, and has a low minimum deposit, making it great for beginners. The platform feels more guided but slightly more restrictive in terms of trading styles. Both are not regulated in the US or Europe in a strict sense, so be cautious. So here's the deal: want more assets, a modern interface, and social trading? Go with pocket options. Want better educational tools and a beginner friendly start? Try expert option. Neither is built for long term investing. They're for fast trades and higher risk. Know what you're getting into.